So guys, for this problem right here, this vent is actually blowing hot air. You can see that it's on cold on both sides. This one's blowing out cold. This one is blowing out warm. It actually also makes this really loud clicking noise. You can check this out. So this is in my wife's Honda Odyssey, and she told me if I don't fix this that I'll be driving this until I do. So let's go ahead and make it happen. So we'll be looking under the driver's steering wheel, kind of back in this area. It's kind of tight under here, so what we're going to do is change out this part right here. We're going to change this out and see if it will go back to blowing cold air and being able to control your little dashboard up there. So let's go ahead and check it out. Just want to show you guys, there's just 3 little screws, one right there. You can kind of see it, one right there, and then also one right there. We're going to go ahead and take them out. So there are 2 actuators under here. The top one is for mode control, and the bottom one controls your driver's temperature. So guys, here is the old one, and I took the 3 screws out. You also have to undo these little tabs to pull this part out, but here is the new one. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one in. And I'm not sure I said what this is, but this is the Hvac heater blend door actuator. So now it's all back in there. Everything is back on. That little thing is back on the track. Here is the old one. I did change it with this little device right here so I could get in there to those screws. So that might be something helpful for you. And then also I did turn this on because that helped me get a little bit more shoulder room in there. So those are a couple little tips to help you as well. All right, just cranked it back up, and now this is blowing cold air, which is awesome. Also, no more clicking. That is super nice and helpful. So if this video is helpful for you, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, or you can check out another video right here, and I'll see you over there.